Hi friends, welcome to Simply Jain. Here we bring you a tongue-tickling chaat recipe. So let's start making it.
Step 1. Take 1 cup urad dal. In that, add 1 tablespoon moong dal. Allow it to soak for at least 4 hours and then wash it 4 to 5 times. See to it that you don't add too much of water. And now we are going to blend this till it is a smooth paste. So you all can see how smooth the mixture is. Just see the texture. It's really very smooth. So soaking that's why important. If you don't soak it, your mixture won't be this smooth. The more you soak it, the better it's going to be. So this is done. Now just remove it in another bowl. Once you have removed it in a different bowl, just keep mixing it. You'll have to mix it in one direction. This is further going to make our vada smooth and soft. This is a very important step. Now we are going to add 1/4 teaspoon salt, or how much ever salt is required for the taste, and half teaspoon eno. Just give it a nice mix once again, and then take small portions and add it in the oil. And the shape really doesn't matter because we are going to cut them from between. So if you want to make big dahi vadas, put big portions of the batter. Side by side, I have kept some warm water ready and I have added little salt in it. Once this is fried, we are going to put this in the water. The batter which we have is sufficient for at least 25 small vadas. Just directly put it in water and allow it to be in water for at least 15 minutes. This will again become very soft and nice. Ingredients required for the final step are curd, fried and soaked vadas, banana, chickpeas, tamarind chutney, green chutney, coriander leaves, safe puri puris, red chilli powder, chaat masala and salt. Take a plate in which you are going to serve. Put some puris. This is easily available in the market. On that, put some pressure cooked raw bananas which are cut small in pieces. On that, we will put the fried and soaked vadas. Just cut it into half and just remove all the excess water before putting it on this. Then goes in the chutneys. So this will depend on your taste. You all can check out both the chutneys by clicking the I button. Chaat masala, red chilli powder, some curd. I had warmed the curd and then just remove all the excess water and then whip it with your hands. This is not sweet curd. If you want to add sweet curd, just add some sugar to it. On that, some boiled chickpeas. Again, some chilli powder, some chaat masala, little bit of chutneys and coriander leaves. Dahi vada papdi chaat is ready. Our dahi vada papdi chaat is ready. If you all want me to make such chaats, comment below and don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.